One easy way to decrease a stitch in crochet is to single crochet, half double crochet, double crochet, or treble crochet 2 stitches together, thereby decreasing by 1. And it's very simple to do this. I'm going to first demonstrate the single crochet 2 together. And I'll just single crochet a couple of stitches to get into the fabric so it'll be easier to see. So when you are going to work 2 stitches together, you basically want to work the first stitch up to the last step of that stitch. So for single crochet, we're going to insert our hook into the stitch and draw up a loop. The last step of a single crochet would be to draw this through both loops on the hook, but we are going to leave that undone. Then we're going to begin working a second single crochet. And then when we work the last step of that stitch, we just draw this through all 3 loops on the hook. We've just single crocheted these 2 stitches into 1, thereby decreasing by 1 stitch. So again, a single crochet 2 together, you insert your hook and draw up a loop, then insert your hook into the next stitch and draw up a loop, and then yarn over and pull through all 3 loops on the hook. We've just single crocheted these 2 stitches together into 1. If you want to do this with half double crochet, it's the same process. I'm going to add 1 extra turning chain for half double crochet. And again, I will work a little bit into the row. To work 2 half double crochets together, we do the same thing where we're working up to the last step of that first stitch. So for half double crochet, you are going to yarn over, insert your hook into the stitch, and draw up a loop. The last step of a regular half double crochet would again be to yarn over and draw this through all 3, but we are going to leave that undone. We're going to now start working the second stitch by yarning over, inserting our hook, and drawing up a loop. And now we're ready for the last step of our half double crochet, which is to yarn over and draw through all the loops on our hook. In this case, there are 5. So again, for half double crochet 2 together, it's yarn over, insert your hook and draw up a loop, yarn over, insert your hook into the next stitch and draw up a loop, and then yarn over and draw through all loops on the hook. In both scenarios, both of these little examples, we've half double crocheted 2 stitches into 1 each. So I've just decreased 2 stitches here since I did 2 half double crochet togethers next to each other. To work 2 double crochet together, we'll add 1 more turning chain here and go into the fabric a little bit. Okay, I'm going to double crochet these 2 stitches together. Same process. We will yarn over, insert our hook, draw up a loop, yarn over and draw through the first 2 loops. Now the last step of a double crochet would be to yarn over and draw through both of these, but again we'll leave that undone and begin working the second stitch by yarning over, inserting the hook, yarning over, pulling up a loop, yarning over, drawing through both of these. Now we have 3 stitches, 3 loops on our hook. We're going to yarn over and draw through all 3. So again, double crochet 2 together, you yarn over, insert your hook, draw up a loop, yarn over, draw through 2 loops, yarn over, insert your hook into the second stitch, yarn over, draw up a loop, yarn over, draw through the first 2 loops, and then yarn over and draw through the remaining 3. And we double crocheted these 2 stitches into 1 and these 2 stitches into 1. So that is how you work 2 crochet stitches together.